ExpressVPN is one of the top VPNs we get asked to review by viewers. And with so much hype surrounding the speed and features of the VPN, we really wanted to go in depth with this review. Before we dive in, click the link below to get the best deal for ExpressVPN. We'll update the link if a better deal comes out so that you don't have to scour the internet looking for a better one. ExpressVPN gets a lot of hype. It's almost always ranked in the top 3 VPNs, and it's often ranked number 1. First, Express is based outside of the United States and has a strict no-logs policy. Being located outside of the United States is huge because it means you don't have to worry about the NSA having a backdoor on the VPN to snoop on your activity. ExpressVPN also has 3,000 servers in 160 locations in a total of 94 countries. You can connect to servers across the world from the United States, France, Germany, Argentina, Brazil, Ireland, Australia, India, Egypt, Israel, and dozens of other countries. And there's unlimited bandwidth offered, so you can watch 4K movies all day and night or torrent, and you don't have to worry about ExpressVPN throttling you or cutting off your service. Speaking of torrenting, ExpressVPN has a built-in kill switch or network lock that protects your privacy at all costs. Let's imagine that you're torrenting a file and using a VPN to hide your identity. If the VPN goes off, you might not even realize it, and now your activity is exposed. Well, ExpressVPN has really thought of everything and has a kill switch that immediately stops all internet activity if your VPN drops for even a second. For me, this is the extra security I need to confidently browse the internet, file share, and torrent files with 100% confidence that my true identity will never be leaked in the process. You can also pay with cryptocurrency to further protect your identity. Add in no logs, tunneling, and AES 256 encryption, and it's easy to see why some of the leading security experts in the world are using ExpressVPN. Plus, there are apps for virtually every platform, from Windows to smartphone operating systems and Linux. Customer service is one of the best in the world and will help you set up your app if you have any problems. But it's just so easy to set up and get started with ExpressVPN that I don't think any of our viewers will have any issue with it. Even newbies shouldn't have any issues during setup. And if you do have problems or don't love the service, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee that you can use. One-click smart locations make it easy to use ExpressVPN, but you can manually select a server if you want. One of the strengths of ExpressVPN is that its servers still work on Netflix, Hulu, and dozens of other platforms. As you can see, there's lots to love about ExpressVPN. One downside, well, it's not really a downside, but you'll pay a little more for this VPN because you're getting some of the best customer service and security features in the world. We've also snuck in that special link for you below. If you're serious about your security and privacy, there's really no reason not to try ExpressVPN, especially with the 30-day money-back guarantee. Thank you again for watching. We really hope you learned a lot more about ExpressVPN and why we recommend it to friends and family. As always, we left a special link in the description below with the current best deal on ExpressVPN. Have a great day!